How to transcribe a YouTube shorts video to text. Let's see. First of all, go find the source that you want to transcribe the text of. In this case, let's say I want to transcribe the text of this source. So share, copy the source link and paste to the any browser. This web method works on a mobile or anything. Then in this link, remove the source and make enter watch and enter. Now what it does is it lets you use the transcript feature of YouTube. Go to more and here is the transcript and you can copy, or you can copy this link, go to this website and paste the link, copy and paste. This is how you transcribe YouTube Shorts video to text. I hope you like this video. If you like, let me know in the comment. Like this video, share it with your friend. We'll meet you in my next video. Peace out.